What's up, guys? Mad Props, and we are back again. We started out with the Whiskey Tango Power Loop Challenge, and a couple people commented on something. A gentleman named Bob Hoover, and Bob Hoover used to do maneuvers in his airplanes. And I haven't done too much research, but I think he would keep a drink or a cocktail or something of the sort in his cockpit, and he would do maneuvers, technical maneuvers and display how G-force, positive G-force, can keep a liquid in a cup while doing maneuvers in an airplane. So today we would like to honor Bob Hoover and step it up with the Bob Hoover challenge, or maybe tribute. I'm not really. We're just gonna kick it Bob Hoover style, and we're gonna do some maneuvers with a new cup, a new glass, much more liquid, and we've got some new propellers. We went with a green theme because, like I said, we've tried this a few times already. I wanted to get some footage recorded and get this out for St. Patrick's Day, but we're a little late. I hope you guys enjoy it. Come up in the air with me and let's see what we can do.
And now let's get some going.
All right, guys, that was a blast. We pulled off lots of maneuvers. I'm just really hoping that the footage comes out and it looks good. It's, you know, midday. It's really bright out. Hopefully we don't have any rolling shutter or anything like that. Or not rolling. Hopefully we don't have any jello. Vortex is back. We killed it yesterday, but by like midnight last night, it had come back to life. I plugged it in. We did a power loop and drenched the thing in liquid, and it died mid-flight. Yeah, so last night it came back to life, and I said, let's go back out and let's try this again because it wasn't really up to standards. So, Bob Hoover, it's the Bob Hoover Challenge. Flight test, did a little tribute to him, and we thought we would kind of step up the Whiskey Tango Power Loop Challenge. And yeah, we had a lot of fun today. Hopefully I've inspired a couple people out there to just get out and fly and maybe try something fun. You know, build something unique, build something, if it's silly, stupid, fun, it doesn't matter, as long as you're getting out there and you're having fun and you're learning something and you're getting some stick time. Get out, have fun, stop worrying about your tune, stop worrying about your PIDs, worry about your rates. But yeah, don't worry about your build, man. Just get out there and rip whatever beater you have on the wall off the wall and throw a battery on it and just get out there and rip, dude. It's beautiful. Spring's rolling in. It's getting warmer out there. Everybody across the country. I don't imagine it's as nice as it is here, but it's coming. It's coming soon. Summer's on its way, and get out there, have fun, fly some packs. If you guys are enjoying what you're watching, please subscribe. Please, just go right down, hit subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified when I publish a new video. Hit the thumbs up button and leave me some comments, please. Any more ideas? This was kind of like an idea from a comment on Facebook. So please, guys, leave your comments. Tell me what you would want to see. And yeah, until next time, guys, happy flying. Peace out.